Dear friends, welcome to my video on Chef IQ Multifunctional Smart Pressure Cooker Review. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles and also links in description. This pressure cooker is making waves in the kitchen appliance market, combining functionality with cutting-edge technology to simplify home cooking. This review dives into its features, performance, and unique aspects that make it stand out from other pressure cookers on the market. Key features and design. One of the standout features of the Chef IQ Multifunctional Smart Pressure Cooker is its Wi-Fi connectivity. This cooker pairs with the Chef IQ app, which allows users to control the device remotely, access hundreds of guided recipes, and receive instant updates. The interface is modern and intuitive, featuring a digital touchscreen with settings that are easy to navigate. The cooker's sleek design complements modern kitchens, with a compact size that doesn't overwhelm your countertop. Versatile cooking options. The Chef IQ cooker isn't just a pressure cooker. It also supports functions like sauté, steaming, slow cooking, and even sous vide. This versatility allows users to make a wide range of dishes, from tender meats to creamy risottos, in one appliance. Each cooking mode is designed to maximize flavor and texture, and the precision of the app ensures perfect results every time. A standout aspect is the cooker's automatic pressure release, which makes it safer and more convenient. Users can choose from 3 different release settings: quick, natural, and pulse, depending on the recipe. Guided cooking and recipe options. Through the Chef IQ app, users have access to over 300 recipes designed specifically for the cooker. The app's guided cooking feature provides step-by-step instructions that adjust automatically based on the chosen recipe, which is especially useful for beginners. This guided experience also makes it easy for seasoned home chefs to experiment with new recipes, reducing guesswork and eliminating potential mistakes. Performance and user experience. Many users report that the Chef IQ cooker is exceptionally user-friendly, with fast heat-up times and even cooking. The app connection is a game-changer, allowing busy users to monitor their meal from anywhere. The cooker is also praised for its quiet operation, especially compared to traditional pressure cookers, and easy cleanup, thanks to its non-stick inner pot and dishwasher-safe components. Verdict. The Chef IQ Multifunctional Smart Pressure Cooker combines technology with practicality, making it one of the best smart pressure cookers on the market. Its app integration, multiple cooking functions, and safety features make it a must-have for tech-savvy home cooks looking to simplify their kitchen routine. With a focus on versatility and ease of use, the Chef IQ is worth every penny for those wanting to elevate their cooking experience. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Income disclosure. I am an associate with Amazon. I earn commissions when you purchase product via the affiliate link in description. Thanks for your support.